The quick login. Popup module lets visitors log in or register right from any page without being redirected. It supports email login and social login via Facebook/Google. Admins can customize the Popup's design, show hide buttons, upload background banner images, making login smooth, fast, and on-brand. This is module understanding video of advanced login to install the preceding with the same. To install the module, you have to click on Upload a Module button. When you will click on it, you will have a pop-up like this on a screen where you have to click on Select File to choose a file from your local. So when you will click on it, it will redirect you to choose a file and install it here. When the completely module installation is done, you will find Configure button on your screen like this. So when you will click on it, it will redirect you to the General Center page where you will find the module in the disabled state by default, since the module is first time installed on your store. So it will shown as disabled to install. To enable the module, you have to enable the toggle of Enable Disable and click on Save so that the model will be enabled on your store. Now you can find the same on your front end when you will open the sign-in page, so it will display like this. And this is advanced login page, how it is being shown. It is very plain, so you can configure it from the background here. You will show button, do not show small button. So if you have to save the setting, it will show the success message that the configuration has been saved. Once it is saved, you have to move on the front end and refresh the page to find the configurations. So you have to in it again, refresh the page and open the sign-in button. This show button is for the social login that we have provided. So when you have filled the respective details of the same, you can find the button to log in with the Facebook or with the Google on your front end. Next, we have given the background image so you can click on Add File, which will redirect you to the locals to choose the file from your locals to upload it here. So when you will choose the file and click on Save to save the configuration, now it will show the success message here. And you will find that the module will be enabled on your store, so it will show the uploaded image and the background. As you can see here next, we have the Show Right column. This is the right column, which are not being shown. So this is enabled. Now you have to add the background image and you have to click on Save. Now refresh the page to find the changes. Again, click on Sign In. You will find the background image of the right column here. In case you do not want to show the right column, you can make it disabled. Click on Save and refresh the front end. Again, open the sign-in page. You will not find the right column again. Next, we have given the Facebook and the Google login. So to enable the same, you have to configure their respective developer's account. Since the Facebook is a paid one, so we can show with the Google, we have given the steps how to configure the developer account. Step by step is being mentioned, so you can just follow the steps and complete the configuration to find your respective keys. So when you will add the respective keys and click on Save, once the configuration is completely saved, you will find this message here. And on the front end, when you will refresh the page, you will find the login of the social login button here. As you can see, the same will be shown as for the Facebook, and you will click on it. You will find the logins when you will click on just choose the main from which you want to enable your store. It will ask the configuration, so confirmation, and it will make you enable on your store. So this is how the advanced login works on a Prestashop store. Thank you so much.